Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, remote engine start, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.